Hello, today I am going to take a look at Blackhole from Eventide and show you how it sounds in one of my tracks I'm working on. Let's just jump right into it and listen to this single track from the Moog, only running a Blackhole at the moment. Okay, that's how Blackhole sounds, and this is the original sound from the synth. So I think it's safe to call it a space designer because it adds quite a lot of bass to the sound. And if I add the other effects like Echo Boy, Fab Filter and Decapitator, it sounds pretty nice. And if we bring in some other tracks where I have software instruments like Serum, I'm no expert with plugins, or I mean reverb plugins, but it has the basic features as you see on most plugins. With the mix knob you decide how much of the original sound you want or how much of the reverb. And gravity, that's Eventide's decay. And you can also bring it into the negative range for some reverse effects. Size from really small to huge space-ish type of sounds. And then you have pre-delay. You can make some interesting effects with that one. Yeah, as you can hear, you can create pretty interesting sounds. You have the EQ here, or where you can decide where you want the reverb tail to be, low and high. So you can cut lows. You have modulation here. It modulates as I read in the manual. It modulates the depth or the tail of the reverb, if I'm not mistaken. And you also have a feedback. And this ribbon here is kind of a macro thing. You can see in the gravity knob here, when I move the ribbon, it moves the gravity knob. You see those white dots here. You can, for example, drag the beginning here to, let's say, there. You can drag this one to, let's say, there. And I think you can click on the white dot here, and you can set the beginning here and the end here. So when you move this ribbon here, when you move it all the way there, it will go to the white point you set there, and when you move it there, it will go wherever you set it. So you can make some interesting sounds with the ribbon as well. Let's see if we can remove size from the equation. You just right click on it. Let's try depth and the rate and maybe some feedback. Yeah. So with the freeze button, it essentially mutes the input audio and freezes the audio in the reverb buffer. So you can play with the reverb tail. So we can try it here. Can create some interesting effects, and with kill you will you can hear the reverb tail fade out. So we can try it out here. So it could be useful for fade outs or maybe fade ins or some reverse thing. It's very useful actually. And if you have some, if you want to read some more, you can click info here and you get the manual. It's always good to read the manual. So I think Blackhole works very well for my workflow. It gives this huge sound and it just sounds great. I bought it when it was on sale, so I plan to choose between Valhalla DSP Vintage Reverb and FabFilter's Pro R. But when Blackhole was on sale, the choice wasn't that difficult. So I think it works pretty good for my use, and it just sounds great. If you like content like this, you know what to do. Subscribe. Let's try to get this YouTube channel over 200 subscribers. In addition, I have a Patreon page where you can support what I'm doing if you want. You also get access to a Google Drive with a lot of my music. You can also download all of my music on my website, but you have to go to every page and click download. So thank you for following, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.